welcome back to my hairstyle magazine. Marguerite here. Today I want to show you guys a video on how to do the halo braid that Zendaya had in the Odyssey premiere that she did on the red carpet. And her hair looks so cute. She always looks great. But I was like, oh, I want to try to recreate that hairstyle on my doll head, but my doll head's hair was a little bit shorter than Zendaya's long hair. So I have a little hack for you girls in case your hair is not long enough for those halo braids to wrap all the way around. So stay tuned for that, and I appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks. So about where the ear is, you're gonna have 2 braids on the bottom, just like that, and then 2 braids at the top, like that. Okay. So after you do that, you're gonna cross these in the back, like that, and then just pin it. So we're gonna do tuck tuck that tail under as best as we can to hide it. Pin it with a bobby pin that matches. You want a bobby pin that matches the same hair color so you can't see the bobby pins. And we're going to crisscross it. And you want to hide it. And you're going to hide it this way. And tuck it under. Tuck the tail under as best as you can to hide it. And you're gonna like get it from the back bottom and slide it so it's parallel to the braid so you can't see it, and you could crisscross it that way for a stronger hold. So crisscross it like that underneath. I'm sorry, like that underneath the braid. So that's crisscross like that. So that's where we're gonna do the back. You're gonna take the two braids that you did before and you're gonna bring them up and you're gonna crisscross from the front. I'm gonna show you. So you're gonna bring these up and you're gonna do your best to crisscross them in the front like that. So you're gonna do the same technique by tucking the tails under. This and it's kind of loose, so we're gonna crisscross it underneath the best we can. You see how it's sticking out, the bobby pin sticking out, so you want to like push it back and then push it forward until you just can't see it. And so it's a tighter grip. And then we're going to do this side, crisscross this side. And then we're going to, this is what I'm going to do underneath. I'm going to kind of connect them like that and push it like that underneath. So I'm going to go like this. And push it like underneath like that. And then we're going to crisscross another one and tuck this tail under. Do the best you can. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be pretty. And hide the rubber band and the tail. So here's the finished look on the sides, the back, and the front. Hi everyone! Have you ever wondered what hairstyle or hair color looks best on you personally? Instead of guessing, let me do the work for you. I offer custom virtual hair makeovers to help anyone who wants my services no matter how far away you live. It's super easy, just send me a couple photos and I will create a custom layout with your best look. So treat yourself good, check out the link below, and I'll see you over there. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.